Good morning. This is Wayne Belial with another smart profit maximizing moment. Today we're going to be talking about social media. So that's why I started off that way. So how do we turn social media into sales? Look, you don't have a choice. You're going to have to get there. I mean, I understood a long time ago that I would have to embrace the internet if I wanted to increase sales and survive a changing economic landscape. With everybody and their uncle writing and talking about it, how could we not be convinced about it? Look, my own statistics are showing that. It used to be 95% was referrals from satisfied customers, which is still the best way if you ask me. That's closer to 60-40. 60% is referrals, 40% is internet, and sometimes I think it's closer to 50-50. It's been changing very, very fast. And it's because we do a lot of things. The truth is, when I first started looking at getting on the internet and social media, I was like most owners. I was simply overwhelmed by all the choices and how to use them, which is more importantly, how to use them. Remember, the owner's time is the most valuable thing we have. So how do we spend that time in the best way to increase profits? All right. The solution, I believe, is in Stephen Covey's book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, and where he says to start with the end in mind. Okay, what is the end result we're looking for? Is having social media and internet presence. The end result we're looking for is increased sales and profits. Simple as that. Keep that in mind, all right? The dizzying array of choices you have. How do you use Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google+, YouTube, Pinterest, podcast, digital publishing, and whatever I may have left out, and whatever they may invent soon. Many business owners simply just throw their hands up in the air and say, forget it. I mean, that's for the big guys. That's not for me. Well, as truth be told, it is for you, all right? Truthfully, that'd be a fatal mistake. So what is the secret to using the internet and social media to your advantage? The secret really is designing a consistent message to get prospects to provide you with their email address. Once you get their email address, you can put together a plan to sell to them. I've done a lot of this email marketing. If you look on, go to my blog, and some of these videos I've covered them, how, just get their email. Just type that in, just get their email in the search engine. All right, so here's a brief plan to accomplish this, okay? Talk to your current customers. Find out what they would consider valuable information to receive from you. Make a plan to deliver it to them. Don't consider it a sales pitch. Just find out what they're looking for. Remember, providing them with information in your area of expertise helps build your relationship with them and increases their loyalty to you. If you don't have a blog, start one. It can be a video blog like this one's turning into, though I'm still adding the written part, so mine's kind of a hybrid, all right? Open accounts with Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, YouTube. I left somebody out in there. Instagram, yeah, at least make sure you have them. Later, you can learn to create podcasts, internet, TV shows, and e-zines, okay? Create an editorial calendar for the next year. Create one main theme for each month, all right? In the video, I'm not going to go through that. In one of the videos I did, I talked about setting up an editorial calendar. Spread the month's theme across 4 weekly articles. Okay, for example, in January, let's say my theme is maximizing the profit formula. I could cover increasing sales to current customers, maximizing referrals, using upselling scripts, and cutting costs without affecting customer service. I could do a lot more, once I have it, okay? Post an article to your blog at least weekly, more often if you can, related to the theme you've chosen for that month. Okay, on each one of your social sites, post a short item pointing them back to your blog. Don't post the whole article. You want them to visit your blog. Include an irresistible bribe in each blog post or on each email that your blog post links to. The goal is to get their email so that you can market to them in the future. All right. Again, get our, I forget exactly where it's at, but just get our email, go to my blog, and the best way to get that, go to my website, wjb-cpa.com. Left hand, there's tabs across the top. Second from the left is the blog. Click on that. Right hand side of the blog, there's a search engine. Just search, just get their email. I know I put it there. You can also find it in one of the Facebook videos I've done over the last year. When you post the same message to multiple social sites on your blog, you're increasing your ranking with Google and other search engines. I don't imagine there are many other accountants and business advisors posting content on maximizing the profit formula at least 4 times each month on their blogs and social sites. Search engines love this focused approach and almost magically forces you up their rankings. Now, I can't promise that because they keep changing their algorithms, so God knows what it works. But the point is, you get an email list and you're hitting them with a focused message that's designed to bring in their email, designed to get them to call you, designed to get them to buy from you. All right. Remember what you're trying to do, though, in these things. You're trying to educate your customers. Remember, educated customers always buy more. Always educating, always be educating your customers, always be bringing in the sales. Hey, until next time, this is Wayne Blau saying, let's make this our most profitable year ever. Thank you very much.